In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use speed curve function on CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to create smooth speed ramps that make your footage feel cinematic and intentional without any awkward jumps. Start by opening CapCut, either on the web in your browser or in the mobile or desktop app. Use whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you're in, create a new project. When the canvas options appear, choose 16:9. This is the standard landscape format for YouTube and most social platforms, so it's a safe default for most projects. You can always change the aspect ratio later if your final destination requires something different, but 16:9 keeps things simple for now. Next, add your video to the project. Import your clip and place it on the timeline. It's easiest to work with a single clip at first, so you can focus on the speed changes without being distracted by edits or transitions. Make sure the clip is selected on the timeline so the right editing tools appear. With your clip highlighted, look for the speed control. On the app, you'll typically see it in the bottom toolbar. On the web editor, you'll find it in the right side panel when the clip is selected. Open Speed, and you'll notice there are two approaches: Normal, which changes the entire clip at one constant rate, and Curve, which lets you vary speed over time. Choose Curve. Inside Curve, select Custom. Presets are great for quick results, but Custom gives you full control. You'll see a graph with points spread across your clip's duration. Think of the horizontal axis as time and the vertical axis as speed. Higher means faster, lower means slower. Drag a point upward to speed that moment up, or downward to create slow motion. Move points left or right to decide exactly when the change begins and ends. As you adjust, aim for smooth, natural ramps. For example, ease into a slow motion moment by lowering a point gradually before the action. Hold it briefly for emphasis, then bring the curve back up to normal speed. Keep extreme changes short so they feel impactful rather than jarring. Play your clip to preview often. The curve updates in real time, so you'll immediately hear and see the difference. If anything feels abrupt, soften the angle of the curve or spread the change over a longer section. If you go too far, use Undo or the Reset option in the curve panel to start fresh. That's the core workflow. Open CapCut, create your project in 16:9, add your video, go to Speed, choose Curve, switch to Custom, and fine-tune the graph until your motion feels just right. Practice a few variations, and you'll quickly develop an eye for smooth, professional speed ramps.